67 Woodrow. We just painted this one. This is a duplex. It's got a loft-like feeling in it. It's a really nice place in Bedford, Ohio. We just painted all the exterior. It's your virtual tour. And it's got a lot of parking here. You can see here, this is all painted. And this side's all painted. It really looks good. It's a gray. It's really nice. So let's go upstairs to the loft. It's a 2-bedroom, 1 bath that has laundry in it. It's really a big place. You can see we painted all these stairs. So all those are painted. You got new stairs that come up here. It's very private. So let's go in the living room here. It's big. You got the big windows with the blinds, newer windows in here, and you can see the big long door there for the closet. High ceilings, large bedrooms. It's gorgeous. Again, it feels like you're living in the city there. So, it's really good. So that's good, and then a nice large bedroom here. So let's go ahead and turn the light on here. Again, these are big bedrooms, big windows, very quiet area. You're close to downtown Bedford. Just exceptionally nice. Nice big bathroom. Complete with washer and dryers that'll stay. As you can see, it's a rare thing because upstairs units don't usually have washer and dryer. This does have a laundry room and a nice kitchen. You've got gas cooking, refrigerator, and again, it's very nice kitchen, pantry, everything. So this is your virtual tour, but again, this is nice, a very nice house, and it's ready for you to live in. Thanks. Have a great day.